McLaren celebrates 25th anniversary of Le Mans win with limited edition 720S. English execution automaker McLaren first appeared as a constructor at the Le Mans 24-hour race in 1995, bringing 7 F1 GTRs to the race, which stunningly completed first, third, fourth and fifth, with vehicle number 59, driven by Missinari Secchia, Yannick Talmas, and J.J. Leto, bringing home the success. In festivity of the 25th commemoration of this earth-shattering triumph, McLaren is currently creating a 720S Le Mans restricted version, offering only 50 over the world, and 16 of these have been designated for Europe. Accessible in either a smooth Sarthe Gray or the brand's most notorious McLaren Orange. Both shading choices accompany an utilitarian rooftop scoop completed in lustrous dark alongside carbon fiber front bumpers, while different other body segments, for example, the lower front guard, the lower sides of the body, and the back guard are totally wearing Ueno Gray. The wheels take on a 5-talked configuration roused by the first F1 GTR itself, matched faultlessly with brake calipers hued in gold. Concerning its inside, seating comes as carbon fiber hustling seats enclosed by dark Alcantara with a coordinating trim either in dim or orange. A titanium tackle bar and 6-point safety belts are discretionary for the individuals who want to take the ride on target, while other customization choices are made accessible by means of the organization's MSO-defined and MSO Bespoke products. Execution savvy. The Le Mans exceptional release holds the standard 720S 4.0-liter M840T twin-turbo V8 motor, equipped for pushing out an incredible 710 strength and 568 pound-feet of torque. Working with a 7-speed double-grip programmed transmission, the vehicle can make 0 to 62 miles per hour in simply 2.9 seconds and hit a top speed of 212 miles per hour. Constrained to only 50 units made, the McLaren 720S Le Mans Extraordinary version will start conveyance sometime in September. There's as of now no valuing data from the organization, however anticipate that it should be north of the $299,000 sticker price of the standard release.